students, welcome to my channel. Today in this revision class we will revise simple present tense and present continuous tense. I'll give you some exercises after explaining the topic and you have to do all these exercises in your notebook. You have to write complete sentence. Now students, let's start. So first I'll explain you simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense we use to show regular actions. The actions which happen regularly, वो काम जो हम रोज करते हैं, हैबिट में करते हैं. Like he lives in Jaipur, वो जयपुर में रहता है. शालिनी teaches English, शालिनी इंग्लिश पढ़ाती है. Now this is their regular action. वो जयपुर में ही रहता है हमेशा से और शालिनी इंग्लिश पढ़ाती है. So we use simple present tense to show regular actions. Then we use simple present tense to show facts that do not change, to express facts that do not change. There are some universal truths which do not change. So to express those universal truths, we always use simple present tense. Like the sun rises in the east. Sun always rises in the east only. It will never rise in any other direction. So here students, we will use simple present tense to express the facts. Then water freezes at 0 degree centigrade. This is also the fact that water always freezes at 0 degree centigrade. 0 degree centigrade में ही पानी जम जाता है और सन हमेशा पूर्व दिशा से ही निकलता है. ये ट्रुथ है, फैक्ट है, यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ है जो कभी चेंज नहीं होता. तो वो एक्शन जो कभी चेंज नहीं होता, जो ट्रुथ है, यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ है, उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का यूज करते हैं. और वो काम जो हम रोज हैबिट में करते हैं उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए भी हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का यूज करते हैं. अब सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में कौन से वर्ब की फॉर्म कहां पर यूज होती है? सो स्टूडेंट्स, विद आई, यू, वी, दे प्रोनाउन, विद आई, यू, वी, दे प्रोनाउन एंड प्लूरल नाउन्स, और प्लूरल नाउन्स के साथ हमेशा बेस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज होती है. वी ऑलवेज यूज बेस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विद pronouns I, you, we, they and plural nouns. For example, I sing, you sing, we sing, they sing. Students sing. यहाँ पर verb क्या है? Sing. और sing क्या है? Base form of verb. So with pronouns I, you, we, they and plural nouns, always base form of verb is used. Now with he, she, it and singular nouns, he, she, it और singular nouns के साथ हमेशा s form of verb use होती है. जैसे सुनीता sings well. सुनीता, you will not write sing well, this is wrong. Sunita sings well. Sunita singular noun, so you will use s form of verb here. And with he, she and it, he sings, she sings, it sings, and similarly Sunita sings. So students, I hope you have understood that with he, she, it and singular noun, s form of verb is used, and with I, you, we, they and plural nouns, always base form of verb is used in simple present tense. Now there are few rules how to change base form of verb in its s form, and for that you can click on this I button. I have one complete video where I have explained the rules of changing the forms of the verb. Now students, let's do some exercises to understand this topic better. Now students, let's do these exercises to understand the topic. You have to write down all these complete sentences in your notebook and then fill up the blanks. First sentence is I dash football. Now here two verbs are given, base form of verb and s form of verb. Now I taught you that with I, you, we will come here? I play football. I play football. The earth dash round the sun. So the earth singular noun, what will come here? S form of verb will come here. The earth revolves. The earth revolves round the sun. Next is we dash in a restaurant. Now we, with we, base form of verb will come. So we work in a restaurant. We work in a restaurant. Then they dash very fast. Again base form of verb will come. They run very fast. Next is he dash his office early. I taught you with he, she, it. S form of verb comes. So here he dash his office early. What will come? Reach or reaches? Reaches. He reaches his office early. He reaches his office early. Next, the bird dash in the sky. The bird, singular noun it is, so S form of verb will come. The bird flies in the sky. The bird flies in the sky. Next, the babies dash a lot. Now here two verbs are given, base form and S form of verb. Cry, cries. Now the babies is plural number. So with plural number, base form of verb comes. So what will come here? The babies cry a lot. So students, let's revise once again. I play football. The earth revolves round the sun. We work in a restaurant. They run very fast. He reaches his office early. The bird flies in the sky. The babies cry a lot. Now students, write down all these sentences in your notebook. Next is students, let's revise present continuous tenses. Now present continuous tenses, what do they tell? They describe an action in progress at the time of speaking. जब आप बोल रहे हैं उस वक्त जो एक्शन हो रहा है, the action which is happening right at the time of speaking. बात करते समय या जब आप जिस चीज को बता रहे हैं उस वक्त जो एक्शन हो रहा है वो है present continuous tense. Means at present time what action is going on. For example, I am teaching. So here students, this verb is telling you that this sentence is in present continuous tense. They are doing their work. वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं. So the action which is happening right now tells you that the sentence is in present continuous tense. Now let's see the formation of present continuous tense. Is, am, are helping verbs are used in present continuous tense. Plus base form of verb or simple form of verb is used with ing. So the formation will be is, am, are plus base form of verb plus ing. Now see here, is, am, are. So here are is used and then base form of verb. Here base form of verb is do plus ing. So ing is used. Now see in this example, am is there, from is, am, are, here am is there, then base form of verb is here teach and plus ing. So here students, you can see the verbs are in ing form. Now let's do some exercises. Let's do these exercises, children. What you have to do here, complete these sentences with the present continuous tense forms of the verb. What you have to do, you have to complete these sentences. In sentences को आपको complete करना है. In the bracket you are given a verb. Simple form of verb is given in the bracket. You have to fill these blanks with present continuous forms of the verb. इन वर्ब्स की प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस फॉर्म्स का यूज करके आपको इन ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है. सो नाउ लेट्स रीड फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. द ओल्ड मैन dash a newspaper, and in the bracket the word is given read. So read verb is given. What will be the present continuous form of read? The old man, singular noun is there. So what will come is reading. Is reading a newspaper. The old man is reading a newspaper. Is we have used, then base form of verb is read, and then we have added ing. So your sentence will be the old man is reading a newspaper. Next, they dash their bags. Bracket word is carry. So the verb carry you have to fill here in the blank. Now they is plural noun. So what will come here? They are carrying their bags. They are carrying their bags. They are carrying their bags. Next, he dash an umbrella. He is singular noun. So what will come here? He is holding an umbrella. He is holding an umbrella. Next, it dash heavily. Rain is given in the bracket. So with it what you will use is. It is now base form of verb is rain plus ing. It is raining heavily. Now next children, he dash the car. Drive is the verb given in the bracket. So what will come? He is driving the car. He is driving the car. Now next is the baby dash. Now present continuous tense you have to fill here. So sleep. The baby singular noun is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. So next students, Preeti again singular noun and verb is drink. So the Preeti, your sentence will be Preeti is drinking water. Preeti is drinking water. Now let's revise. The old man is reading a newspaper. They are carrying their bags. He is holding an umbrella. It is raining heavily. He is driving the car. The baby is sleeping. Preeti is drinking water. Now students, write down all these sentences in your fair notebook. Last exercise students. Here what you have to do, underline the ing form of the verb and circle the helping verbs. What you have to do in these sentences? In these sentences you have to underline ing form of verb and you have to circle helping verb. Helping verb को आपको circle करना है और ing form को आपको underline करना है. Now you have read that in present continuous tenses is and are helping verbs are used and base form of verb is used with ing. So here all these are sentences in present continuous tense. So in these sentences you have to underline ing form of verb and you have to circle helping verb. Now students, first sentence is Ravi is kicking the ball. Now here what is helping verb? You have already read. I know you all can do very easily. So helping verb is here and ing form of verb is base form is kick plus ing. So kick and ing form of verb you will underline. Next, they are lifting a box. Now here students, what is helping verb? Helping verb is are. And ing form of verb is, here base form of verb is lift plus ing. Lifting. Next is I am learning to play guitar. Now here what is helping verb? With I always am is used. So helping verb is am, circle it, and ing form of verb is learn plus ing, learning. So underline learning. Next is he is lying to his mother. So students, what is helping verb here? Helping verb is, and ing form of verb, base form is lie plus ing, lying. So underline lying. Next, we are jogging in the park. So here students, what is helping verb? Helping verb is are. And what is ing form of verb? Ing form of verb is jog, is base form of verb plus ing. Now let's revise these sentences, children. First is Ravi is kicking the ball. Next, they are lifting a box. I am learning to play guitar. He is lying to his mother. We are jogging in the park. So students, in all these sentences, you have to circle helping verb and underline ing form of verb. So that's all for today, students. We have revised simple present tense and present continuous tense, and we have also done exercises. All these exercises you will write down in your notebook. Complete sentence you will write and do as the instruction is given. Now students, that's all for today. If you like my video, press on like button, share your comments in the comment section, and at the end don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's all for today.